volcano. Let's get the paint open.
Let's use the big brush first. Yeah. Whoa, looks like scaly dragons. Look, scale dragons.
And paint.
Yeah, congratulations. You won talking school.
It's a greenish black.
Huh.
Oh,
Oh,
it smells like
dragon scale.
salad-ish.
Oh, it does. Really lift up salad for 100 days.
Yeah. But otherwise, it's still good paint. Yes.
I love
It
volcanoes.
likes these volcanoes.
Actually, the
It looks like a reptile.
I think volcanoes didn't kill the dinosaurs. I think it was a meteor shower
Meteor shower.
because a thing might hit meteors out of its place, so the dinos got extinct. Like another boulder hit a boulder.
There must have been a lot of meteors.
Yeah, and the meteor shower was like, whoa. Facts. Facts with Jig and Ty.
Or it's just one ginormous meteor shower.
Okay. That could be it. So, how would we trap the two dinosaurs in a cave?
What?
There was 2 raptors left. in a
Wait, are
cave.
you talking about a movie?
No! In real life, there was 2 raptors left alive.
Really?
Yes! In a cave. A velociraptor and a different raptor.
No. I think we should put in vinegar and baking soda and what is it called? Sprinkles.
In dry ice.
No.
Yeah. So you could. I think we should try elephant's toothpaste.
Okay, but we still need sprinkles. Oh, maybe we should try Coke and Mentos in our volcano.
Oh! Whoa. We just got paint all over the table. No. And then I got paint all over my fingers.
Ah,
No.
I just let go of it. No, don't paint all over my fingers.
No, I was jumped on the table like we had a towel.
Great, my fingers are stuck.
New fresh batch.
It's the next day and our volcanoes are all dry.
So we screwed a bottle onto the top of the volcano and it has baking soda in it.
Now we're gonna pour in our colored vinegar and see what happens. Ready? Set, go. Ah! Whoa, why is it's fizzing so much? Our volcano's wet. Pretty good. It's like, see, let's open up the bottle. Let's go on to the next round. So next round, we got Coke and Mentos. Wait, let me just get mine in order. Set, go! Oh, it's not that bad. Let's look away. Let's add some more Mentos.
Yeah, we're gonna add 4 Mentos this time.
Nothing.
There's not even Coke in there.
Is the bottle still screwed up?
That's not in there. Well, we guess it's all done. Next round. So the last round is gonna be hydrogen peroxide.
So we're gonna dump in our yeast mixture.
Ready? Set, go. Can I look at it?
Oh, my thing just moved.
Here it comes! Here it comes.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
It's like a real volcano.
Mine is not even going up.
Whoa! It's like just dripping down one side and moving on that side. Taito! Now we have a gap in it!
I need power. It's your power, Jake.
Oh, Taito's is racing! Taito's is coming out! Mine's like going, it's gonna fill up the thing and like overflow. It's still going. And now it's coming over on my side. So it's reached the bottom of that side, but it's not going that way anymore, sadly. Unless...
Oh, bubble! I made a bubble!
Oh, he made a bubble! Bubble. Is a My favorite volcano reaction is the hydrogen peroxide plus yeast is my favorite because it just acts like a real volcano slowly going down. It doesn't go like this. It just goes. Yeah.
My favorite was the Coke because when it went, he went back so fast.
If you guys want to see more of these, comment down below what we should put in these.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I made my own thing.
Tyler did it. Tyler's just
Oh, making a bubble as well!
Oh, it's like an actual bubble.
It's growing. The vinegar. I saw the vinegar in it.
Oh. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share.